We are saying goodbye to Pelison Cruise Terminal. Ano to, mami? Amsterdam? Netherlands, Amsterdam. Okay. Today is our last day here, so my only comment here is no comment. This place is no comment. Come and you observe and then do your observation and conclusion. But for us, we don't want to smear the name of Netherlands, Amberland. Oh, let's go. Ano yung bus natin, no? Susundo na yan, eh. Susundo na yan. Dahil close na, eh, may. Bus is closed already. Ito ang pinaka-gate nila, may. Gate. Buksan mo lang, ang drinking. Ano?
Wait a minute. So, naghakot sila ng ano, tapos iniipong bundok.
Where? Oo, yeah. Doon inuula, oh. Tama. Or yan, may. Or. O-R-E. Oh. Or. Bye-bye, so long, farewell. See you. Sarado na. In September. Ilagay mo na, dito mo na. No, I will throw that away, me. Over there. Tayo sa gilid dadaan. Ganda. Impossible to be with you. I know I never live without you. I never leave. Norwegian Star heading home. One stop to Germany. Final stop in London. Then going home. Ford BMW. Why does the sun go on shining? Why does the sea rush to shore? Don't they know? I don't know. It's the end of the world. It ended when I lost your love. I wake up in the morning and I wonder why everything's the world as it was. I can't understand. No, I can't understand. Oh, lumapit ka. Kung gusto mo akong halikan, sige lang, halikan mo ako. Sayang. Sayang, sayang pa lang. Ano, this is...
Yung maganda yung Seafood Village natin sa pinuntahan natin.
What?
Yung downtown San Diego.
Sayang. Norwegian Star. Brand, ang tawag yan, Kraan.
Thank you. Wanna drink already something? We have also here, sir.
Oh, water, please.
Sir, we can
Yeah. Oh, over there. Okay, thank you.
This way, sir, you want to start?
Yeah, can you try that? Is that orange?
It's a flavored, sir. Orange.
Flavored orange because that's... Oh, okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
Alright.
Maybe ubos na natin. Ito, tubig.
So, we have the water.
Ito, may tubig. Yeah, go. What's that? Itong gusto mo?
Yeah. Maybe that's enough. Very little only, ma'am.
Pwede na yan. Tubig. The same, no?
Yes, sir. This one. And this is the water.
Okay. One more water. Yeah, sit down.